M&E Electrical Services. Today's work, we are going to install the strip light on this apartment. For the caller has refused, but that doesn't matter. Let me show you the material, because our material is already on site. As you see in the box, we have a strip light plus those two small boxes. That's where our floodlights are, plus our cables, plus the adaptable box, plus the photo cell. So that's our materials, and let me show you how this strip light look like, and after I'll show you how the floodlights look like. So this is how the floodlights look like. Now let me take you. We are going to install these two. I've talked about the floodlights and the strip light. We are going to install them up here. As you see behind me, there are scaffolds. On the near the scaffolds, there is a flame on the wall. Let me show you clearly. There's a flame on the wall. That's where we're going to install the strip light. And under that flame, there is two provisions for the floodlights. They are going to work as security. On 0742 60 48 01. M&E, where quality is.